All right, Twin Force Fusion here. A few hours ago, I went to pick up my car at the dealership, and I have the new Eagle Touring from Goodyear, which replaced the OEM Eagle F1 because of the flat spots they had on. Quickly, both tires, if you compare, they both have the tread wear is 500 AA. The Eagle Touring, to my surprise, is 1 pound lighter, 25 versus 26 from the Eagle F1. It is actually 0.1 inch wider, 8.4 versus 8.3. The only other difference also is the Eagle Touring that I have on the car right now. It's made in the USA, and the Eagle F1 are made in Canada. Now, we are currently we are currently the 16th week of April 2018, and the reason I say that is because the tires they were made on the 13th week of 2018. The 4 numbers on it, it's 1318, so it's basically fresh off of the truck. So brand new tires. I don't think they even had time to sit in a warehouse somewhere. So I'm gonna go on the road. I'm gonna do the same test I did last time with the original tires. Do the sound decibel test with it. So my initial views are quite positive. On my way here, about 50 miles. It's very soft, very composed ride on the highway. All right, so I'll give you all the technical data pretty soon. Bye. All right, just completed the decibel noise level with the new Goodyear Eagle Touring Comfort tires. Got some surprising results. Let me start at 50 miles an hour. Correction, 31 miles an hour, which is 50 kilometers an hour. We have a difference of minus 4.5. At 43 miles an hour, 70 k an hour. Interesting, I don't know why, but that's the biggest number. Minus 14.9. And then at 80 k or 50 miles an hour, it's minus 10.8 dB. Then at 56 miles an hour, it's minus 3.6. At the 62 miles an hour, it's minus 3.9. At 68 miles per hour, it's minus 4.9. And at 75 miles per hour, it's minus 4.4. Which confirms what I was expecting, because you do feel a more comfortable ride. I don't know what's happening with the OEM Goodyear. I know they had flat spots on them, but didn't realize it was that bad, especially here at 70k an hour, which is a speed you usually travel all the time. Now, Goodyear advertised this tire to be minus 6 decibel versus comparable competitor, and I think they're on the ball. They're not lying at all. So hopefully this will answer a few questions some of you may ask. Now, this tire is not as performant. This is a V rated, and the OEM F1 is a W rated, but I'm gonna buy some ZR rated tires for the 18-inch Axis Sport rims I have at home, so this is not an issue. This is really the tire for cruising, going for long drives, and when I'm gonna go into track, I'm gonna be switching with the other tires and rims. For your info, I still did not buy the tires for the other rims, and I'm planning to go at the track at least once with the Goodyear Eagle Touring Comfort, which is going to be next weekend. That's it I have for you today, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.